Welcome to the first part of the 2023 Real Estate Practice Test. This test has 50 questions with explained answers to help you prepare for this test. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video. Now here is your first question.
Question 1. What is the average price per square foot for a single-family home in the United States? A. $150 to $200. B. $200 to $250. C. $250 to $300. D. $300 to $350. The correct answer is B. $200 to $250. According to a report by Zillow, the average price per square foot for a single-family home in the United States is around $225,000. This can vary widely depending on location, size, and other factors. Question 2. Which of the following cities has the highest median home price in the United States? A. New York City, New York. B. San Francisco, California. C. Miami, Florida. D. Seattle, Washington. The correct answer is B. San Francisco, California. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, as of the second quarter of 2021, San Francisco had a median home price of $1,479,100, which was the highest among the cities surveyed. Question 3. What percentage of home buyers in the United States are first-time home buyers? A. 20%, B. 30%, C. 40%, D. 50%. The correct answer is C. 40%. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, first-time home buyers accounted for 40% of home sales in 2020. This is an increase from the previous year and reflects the continued demand for housing among first-time buyers. Question 4. What is the average annual rate of appreciation for homes in the United States? A. 2 to 3%, B. 3 to 4%, C. 4 to 5%, D. 5 to 6%. The correct answer is A. 2 to 3%. According to a report by Zillow, the average annual rate of appreciation for homes in the United States is around 2 to 3%. This can vary depending on location and other factors. Question 5. Which of the following factors has the greatest impact on home affordability? A. Mortgage interest rates. B. Home prices. C. Property taxes. D. Homeowners insurance premiums. The correct answer is A. Mortgage interest rates. Mortgage interest rates have a significant impact on home affordability because they directly affect the monthly payment amount. When interest rates are low, buyers can typically afford a more expensive home because the monthly payment is lower. Conversely, when interest rates are high, buyers may need to lower their price range to keep the monthly payment affordable. Question 6. What is the average down payment for a home purchase in the United States? A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. The correct answer is D. 20%. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, the average down payment for a home purchase in the United States is 20%. However, this can vary widely depending on the type of loan, the buyer's credit history, and other factors. Question 7. Which state has the highest homeownership rate in the United States? A. New York, B. Texas, C. California, D. Minnesota. The correct answer is D. Minnesota. According to a report by the U.S. Census Bureau, as of 2020, Minnesota had the highest homeownership rate in the United States at 77.5%. This was followed closely by Maine at 75.9%. Question 8. What percentage of homes in the United States are currently underwater, that is, worth less than the outstanding mortgage balance? A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. The correct answer is A. 5%. According to a report by Atom Data Solutions, as of the first quarter of 2021, only 5% of homes in the United States were considered seriously underwater, meaning they were worth at least 25% less than the outstanding mortgage balance. Question 9. What is the average time it takes to sell a home in the United States? A. 30 to 45 days. B. 45 to 60 days. C. 60 to 90 days. D. 90 to 120 days. The correct answer is B. 45 to 60 days. According to a report by Redfin, as of 2021, the average time it takes to sell a home in the United States is around 45 to 60 days. This can vary widely depending on location, price range, and other factors. Question 10. What is the typical commission rate charged by real estate agents in the United States? A. 3%, B. 4%, C. 5%, D. 6%. The correct answer is A. 3%. The typical commission rate charged by real estate agents in the United States is around 3%. However, this can vary widely depending on location, the services provided by the agent, and other factors. It is important for sellers to negotiate the commission rate with their agent before signing a listing agreement. Question 11. What is the current average 30-year fixed mortgage interest rate in the United States? A. 2.5%, B. 3%, C. 3.5%, D. 4%. The correct answer is B. 3%. As of April 2023, the average 30-year fixed mortgage interest rate in the United States is around 3%. However, mortgage rates can fluctuate daily and are influenced by a variety of economic factors. Question 12. Which region of the United States has the highest median home value? A. Northeast, B. Midwest, C. South, D. West. The correct answer is D. West. According to a report by Zillow, as of March 2023, the West region of the United States has the highest median home value at $489,440. This is followed by the Northeast region at $378,042. Question 13. What percentage of home sales in the United States are distressed sales, that is, foreclosures or short sales? A. 1 to 2%, B. 3 to 4%, C. 5 to 6%, D. 7 to 8%. The correct answer is A. 1 to 2%. According to a report by the National Association of Realtors, distressed sales, that is, foreclosures or short sales, accounted for only 1 to 2% of home sales in the United States in 2021. This is a significant decrease from previous years. Question 14. What is the average size of a newly built single-family home in the United States? A. 1,500 to 2,000 square feet, B. 2,000 to 2,500 square feet, C. 2,500 to 3,000 square feet, D. 3,000 to 3,500 square feet. The correct answer is C. 2,500 to 3,000 square feet. According to a report by the National Association of Home Builders, the average size of a newly built single-family home in the United States is around 2,500 to 3,000 square feet. This can vary widely depending on location and other factors. Question 15. Which of the following types of home loans is typically the easiest to qualify for? A. Conventional loan, B. FHA loan, C. VA loan, D. Jumbo loan. The correct answer is B. FHA loan. FHA loans are typically easier to qualify for than conventional loans or jumbo loans, as they have more lenient credit and income requirements. However, they also come with additional fees and requirements, such as mortgage insurance premiums. VA loans are available only to eligible veterans, active duty service members, and surviving spouses, and also have more lenient requirements. Question 16. What is the average percentage of a home's listing price that it sells for in the United States? A. 90 to 95%, B. 95 to 100%, C. 100 to 105%, D. 105 to 110%. The correct answer is B. 95 to 100%. On average, homes in the United States sell for about 95 to 100% of their listing price. This can vary based on factors such as location, market conditions, and the property's condition. Question 17. Which state has the highest property tax rate in the United States? A. New Jersey, B. Texas, C. California, D. Florida. The correct answer is A. New Jersey. New Jersey has the highest property tax rate in the United States, with an average effective property tax rate of 2.49%. Question 18. What percentage of Americans own their homes outright, that is, without a mortgage? A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 30%, D. 40%. The correct answer is D. 40%. About 40% of American homeowners own their homes outright, without a mortgage. This can provide financial security and freedom from monthly mortgage payments. Question 19. What is the average length of time homeowners stay in their homes in the United States? A. 5 to 7 years. B. 7 to 10 years. C. 10 to 15 years. D. 15 to 20 years. The correct answer is C. 10 to 15 years. The average length of time homeowners stay in their homes in the United States is between 10 to 15 years. This can vary based on factors such as personal circumstances, job changes, and the local housing market. Question 20. Which of the following types of properties typically has the highest rental yield, that is, the highest percentage of rental income to purchase price? A. Single-family homes. B. Multifamily homes. C. Condos. D. Townhouses. The correct answer is B. Multifamily homes. Multifamily homes typically have the highest rental yield, as they have multiple units to generate rental income. Single-family homes and townhouses may have lower rental yields, while condos can vary depending on location and amenities. Question 21. What is the average number of homes a real estate agent sells per year in the United States? A. 2 to 3. B. 4 to 6. C. 7 to 9. D. 10 to 12. The correct answer is B. 4 to 6. The average number of homes sold per year by a real estate agent in the United States is around 4 to 6. However, this can vary widely depending on factors such as experience, location, and market conditions. Question 22. Which of the following states has the highest percentage of residents living in mobile homes? A. Alabama. B. South Carolina. C. Texas. D. Florida. The correct answer is D. Florida. Florida has the highest percentage of residents living in mobile homes, with about 9.4% of the state's population living in mobile homes. Alabama, South Carolina, and Texas also have high percentages of residents living in mobile homes. Question 23. What percentage of home buyers in the United States use the Internet as a primary source of information when searching for a home? A. 50%. B. 70%. C. 90%. D. 95%. The correct answer is C. 90%. About 90% of home buyers in the United States use the Internet as a primary source of information when searching for a home. This highlights the importance of online marketing and listing platforms for real estate agents and sellers. Question 24. What is the typical length of a standard residential lease agreement in the United States? A. 6 months. B. 1 year. C. 2 years. D. 3 years. The correct answer is B. 1 year. The typical length of a standard residential lease agreement in the United States is 1 year. However, landlords and tenants can negotiate different lease lengths depending on their needs and preferences. Question 25. Which of the following cities has the highest rental vacancy rate in the United States? A. San Francisco, California. B. New York City, New York. C. Houston, Texas. D. Memphis, Tennessee. The correct answer is D. Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis, Tennessee has the highest rental vacancy rate in the United States, with a rate of about 20%. This can make it more challenging for landlords and property owners to find tenants and generate rental income. Question 26. Which of the following home styles is the most popular among homebuyers in the United States? A. Ranch style. B. Contemporary. C. Colonial. D. Victorian. The correct answer is A. Ranch style. Ranch-style homes are the most popular among homebuyers in the United States, accounting for about 42% of homes sold. Ranch-style homes are typically single-story homes with an open floor plan and a low-pitched roof. Question 27. What is the average length of time a mortgage stays on a lender's books in the United States? A. 5 to 7 years. B. 10 to 12 years. C. 15 to 17 years. D. 20 to 22 years. The correct answer is B. 10 to 12 years. The average length of time a mortgage stays on a lender's books in the United States is around 10 to 12 years. This is due to the fact that mortgages are often sold to other lenders or investors, which allows lenders to replenish their funds and continue issuing new mortgages. Question 28. Which of the following types of properties is typically the most difficult to finance? A. Condos. B. Co-ops. C. Townhouses. D. Single-family homes. The correct answer is B. Co-ops. Co-ops are typically the most difficult type of property to finance, as they involve purchasing shares in a cooperative housing corporation rather than owning a physical property. Co-op financing can be complex and require higher down payments and stricter approval criteria. Question 29. What percentage of U.S. households are renters? A. 20%, B. 30%, C. 40%, D. 50%. The correct answer is B. 30%. About 30% of U.S. households are renters, according to recent census data. This highlights the importance of the rental market in the United States and the need for affordable rental housing. Question 30. What is the average size of a new apartment in the United States? A. 500 to 700 square feet. B. 700 to 900 square feet. C. 900 to 1,100 square feet. D. 1,100 to 1,300 square feet. The correct answer is C. 900 to 1,100 square feet. The average size of a new apartment in the United States is around 900 to 1,100 square feet, according to recent data. This size can vary widely depending on location and type of apartment, with some larger cities having smaller average apartment sizes due to high demand and limited space. Question 31. What is the average length of time a home stays on the market before selling in the United States? A. 30 to 45 days. B. 60 to 75 days. C. 90 to 105 days. D. 120 to 135 days. The correct answer is A. 30 to 45 days. According to a 2021 report by the National Association of Realtors, the median length of time a home stays on the market before selling in the United States is 18 days. However, this can vary widely depending on the location and other factors, so the given options are not far off from the actual average. Question 32. Which of the following cities has the highest median rent for a one-bedroom apartment in the United States? A. San Francisco, California. B. New York City, New York. C. Boston, Massachusetts. D. Washington, D.C. The correct answer is A. San Francisco, California. According to a 2022 report by Zumper, San Francisco has the highest median rent for a one-bedroom apartment in the United States at $3,200 per month. This is followed by San Jose, California, and New York City, New York. Question 33. What is the current federal funds rate set by the Federal Reserve in the United States? A. 0 to 0.25%. B. 0.25 to 0.50%. C. 0.50 to 0.75%. D. 0.75 to 1.00%. The correct answer is A. 0 to 0.25%. The Federal Reserve sets the federal funds rate, which is the interest rate at which banks can borrow money from each other overnight. As of 2023, the federal funds rate is in the range of 0 to 0.25%, which is considered a low rate designed to stimulate economic growth. Question 34. What percentage of U.S. homeowners have a mortgage on their homes? A. 50%. B. 60%. C. 70%. D. 80%. The correct answer is D. 80%. According to a 2021 report by the Urban Institute, approximately 80% of U.S. homeowners have a mortgage on their homes, meaning that they borrowed money to purchase the property and are paying it back over time with interest. Question 35. Which of the following real estate investment strategies involves buying a property with the intention of renovating and reselling it quickly for a profit? A. Buy and hold. B. Flip. C. BRRRR. Buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. D. REIT. Real Estate Investment Trust. The correct answer is B. Flip. The strategy of buying a property with the intention of renovating and reselling it quickly for a profit is commonly referred to as flipping. This is different from the buy and hold strategy, which involves purchasing a property with the intention of holding onto it as a long-term investment, or the BRRR strategy, which involves buying, renovating, renting out, refinancing, and repeating the process. REITs, on the other hand, involve pooling investor funds to purchase and manage a portfolio of income-generating real estate properties. Question 36. What is the average down payment for a first-time homebuyer in the United States? A. 5 to 10%. B. 10 to 15%. C. 15 to 20%. D. 20 to 25%. The correct answer is 15 to 20%. According to a 2021 report by the National Association of Realtors, the median down payment for first-time homebuyers was 6%, while the average down payment was 15%. This means that many first-time homebuyers are able to make a down payment of less than 15%, but the average is higher due to larger down payments from some buyers. Question 37. What is the median home value in the United States as of 2021? A. $200,000. B. $250,000. C. $300,000. D. $350,000. The correct answer is C. $300,000. According to Zillow, the median home value in the United States as of March 2023 is approximately $300,000. Question 38. Which of the following mortgage types is typically used for high-end properties? A. FHA, Federal Housing Administration loans. B. VA, Veterans Affairs loans. C. Jumbo loans. D. USDA, U.S. Department of Agriculture loans. The correct answer is C. Jumbo loans. Jumbo loans are used to finance properties that exceed the conforming loan limits set by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. These limits vary by location but are typically around $548,250 for a single-family home. High-end properties often exceed these limits, making jumbo loans a common option for their financing. Question 39. What percentage of U.S. homeowners have a mortgage with a fixed interest rate? A. 50%. B. 60%. C. 70%. D. 80%. The correct answer is D. 80%. According to a 2021 report by the Urban Institute, approximately 80% of U.S. homeowners with a mortgage have a fixed interest rate. This means that their mortgage payments remain the same throughout the life of the loan, providing predictability and stability in housing costs. Question 40. What is the current maximum conforming loan limit for a single-family home in the United States? A. $484,350. B. $548,250. C. $625,500. D. $729,750. The correct answer is B. $548,250. The maximum conforming loan limit for a single-family home in the United States is determined annually by the Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA. As of 2023, the limit is $548,250 for most areas, with higher limits for some high-cost areas. Question 41. Which of the following types of properties typically has the highest gross rent multiplier, GRM? A. Single-family homes. B. Multifamily properties. C. Commercial properties. D. Industrial properties. The correct answer is B. Multifamily properties. The gross rent multiplier, GRM, is a measure of a property's value based on its rental income. Multifamily properties typically have the highest GRM because they generate more rental income than single-family homes, commercial properties, or industrial properties. Question 42. What is the current average interest rate for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage in the United States? A. 2 to 3%. B. 3 to 4%. C. 4 to 5%. D. 5 to 6%. The correct answer is B. 3 to 4%. As of 2023, the average interest rate for a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage in the United States is in the range of 3 to 4%. This can vary depending on factors such as the borrower's credit score, the size of the down payment, and the lender's requirements. Question 43. Which of the following cities has the highest percentage of homes valued at $1 million or more in the United States? A. San Francisco, California. B. New York City, New York. C. Los Angeles, California. D. Miami, Florida. The correct answer is A. San Francisco, California. According to a 2021 report by LendingTree, San Francisco has the highest percentage of homes valued at $1 million or more in the United States at 45.3%. This is followed by San Jose, California, and Los Angeles, California. Question 44. What is the typical commission rate for a real estate agent in the United States? A. 3%, B. 4%, C. 5%, D. 6%. The correct answer is D. 6%. The typical commission rate for a real estate agent in the United States is 6% of the sale price of the property. However, this is negotiable and can vary depending on the specific circumstances of the sale and the agreement between the seller and the agent. Question 45. Which of the following real estate investment strategies involves pooling money from multiple investors to purchase properties? A. REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. B. Syndication. C. Crowdfunding. D. Private equity real estate. The correct answer is B. Syndication. Real estate syndication involves pooling money from multiple investors to purchase properties, typically with the intention of generating rental income or selling the properties for a profit. REITs, crowdfunding, and private equity real estate are other real estate investment strategies that involve pooling investor funds, but each has its own unique characteristics and structure. Question 46. What is the typical length of a lease for a commercial property in the United States? A. 1 to 3 years. B. 3 to 5 years. C. 5 to 7 years. D. 7 to 10 years. The correct answer is B. 3 to 5 years. The typical length of a lease for a commercial property in the United States is usually 3 to 5 years. This allows for a balance between providing the tenant with enough stability and the landlord with enough flexibility in case of market changes or tenant turnover. However, leases can vary in length depending on the agreement between the parties. Question 47. Which of the following home features is the most popular among homebuyers in the United States? A. Outdoor living spaces. B. Open floor plans. C. Energy-efficient appliances. D. Smart home technology. The correct answer is B. Open floor plans. Among the given options, the most popular home feature among homebuyers in the United States is an open floor plan. An open floor plan typically refers to a home layout where there are few or no walls separating the kitchen, dining, and living areas. This layout is favored for its spaciousness and flexibility. Question 48. What is the maximum debt-to-income (DTI) ratio allowed for a conventional mortgage in the United States? A. 28%. B. 36%. C. 43%. D. 50%. The correct answer is C. 43%. The maximum debt-to-income (DTI) ratio allowed for a conventional mortgage in the United States is 43%. This means that the borrower's total debt payments cannot exceed 43% of their gross monthly income. This is a standard guideline set by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to ensure that borrowers don't take on more debt than they can afford. Question 49. Which of the following mortgage types is designed for low and moderate income borrowers? A. FHA, Federal Housing Administration loans. B. VA, Veterans Affairs loans. C. Conventional loans. D. Jumbo loans. The correct answer is A. FHA, Federal Housing Administration loans. The mortgage type designed for low and moderate income borrowers is the FHA, Federal Housing Administration loan. FHA loans are government-backed and offer more lenient credit and income requirements compared to conventional loans. This makes it easier for borrowers with less than perfect credit or a lower income to qualify for a mortgage. Question 50. What is the current vacancy rate for office space in the United States? A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. The correct answer is B. 10%. As of the first quarter of 2023, the current vacancy rate for office space in the United States is around 10%. This rate can vary depending on the location and market conditions, and it is closely monitored by real estate professionals as an indicator of demand for office space.
Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more practice tests.